Come on, Charlie. Come on. Who wants a plunger? Who wants a plunger? When was the last time you bought a plunger? This is the most generic plunger I've ever used in my entire life. This one's like for the classic turd. Tatiana, come here. What's up, everybody? Two things. One, probably a year ago, I had this issue with Charlie thinking his name was Corn. It took a few months to actually get his name back to Charlie. But now, I think I've accidentally changed it to Tatiana. Today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how many tricks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5 tricks.
Plus the boobless one, 6. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys 6 really simple, easy magic tricks that you can do even during this video with me. Huge disclaimer, okay? I'm putting this out there right now. These tricks are easy magic. Do not comment tricks are easy, because this is easy magic. If you're a magician and you're getting your routine from an easy magic video on YouTube, get a new career. Let's do it. Trick number 1. This one's called Guess the Coin. What you're gonna need is a bunch of coins. You're gonna have a bunch of coins in front of you, and you are magically going to be able to figure out which coin the audience member selected. Here's a trick. Here's some bright ass jackets today. This is Amar. Amar is actually the first ever employee of The Denocracy. I'm gonna be performing the magic tricks on him before actually teaching you what they are. Okay? So, here we have 6 coins in front of you. I'm gonna look away. I want you to pick one coin. Okay, now I want you to put it in your fist and squeeze it as hard as you can, okay? So you squeezing? Mm-hmm. Okay, go ahead and put it back exactly where you found it. You good?
Yeah, we're good.
Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna start to try to see which coin. I want you to pass it through, okay?
Heart's beating.
Are you thinking about it?
I'm thinking about
Man,
it.
I don't think you're thinking about it. I'm having a tough time here. Okay, it's not this one. It's not that one.
Yep.
Not that one. Send it to me through your finger.
Like 5 fingers to one or is it 1 to 1? Yeah.
Are you kidding?
I actually sent it.
Okay, it's not this one. It's this one.
Yeah, totally that one.
Hey! Okay, so here's how you do it. The real trick here, in case you didn't get it already, is body heat. You lay out the coins in front of you. You tell the audience member to pick one coin while your back is turned to them. With your back still turned, you're gonna tell them, squeeze. You just gotta squeeze so hard on that coin because I need you to pass the magic of your body into the coin. I know it sounds ridiculous, but this is the most important part. Add this like magic element to this trick, otherwise they're gonna realize it's body heat. You really want to over-exaggerate squeezing the coin. They're then gonna put the coin back, turn back around, and you're gonna look at them. While looking right at them, again, make this magical. You have to sell the trick. Otherwise, the body heat thing is gonna be very obvious. You're gonna look at the coins. You're gonna start to feel. You're just gonna be like, okay, I'm trying to see if this is you. Touch the coin early on so you get the feeling, and remember, it's that coin. Is this your coin? And boom, that's trick number 1. Guess the coin. On to trick number 2. This is one that you guys can actually do at home with me right now. Calculator magic trick. With this easy magic trick, all you're gonna need is a calculator. So we're just gonna show you a really quick one. Guys, again, maybe you're not gonna find this as funny as I do, but this is a really cool one. So it goes like this. There once was a woman with 69 boobs. Now she thought this was too many to have. So she decided, you know what? I need to go to 51st Street and see Dr. X. When she saw Dr. X, he was like, whoa, you got 69 boobs, this is amazing. We need to do a series of operations. 8 operations to be exact. And after that, she was left boobless. Right? Boom. All 69 boobs are gone. Says boobless. Alright, next trick. Trick number 3. This one's called Guess the Age. With this trick, you're gonna be able to guess anybody's age. Here's how it looks. Without showing me, I won't look, because I want you to type in your age into that calculator. Now go ahead and multiply that by 2. Now what I want you to do is add 1. Let's multiply that by 5 times that by 10. Go ahead and hit equals.
Yep.
Now we are left with, oh, okay. Just what I thought. You're 28.
Yeah, I'm 28.
Okay. Okay, let me show you how I did that. You may already be able to tell this is just a mathematical sort of trick. Because of how obviously mathematical this is, have to upsell the magic. You're gonna open up your calculator. You're gonna give the calculator to the audience member and you're gonna say, type in your age. 27. Then you're gonna tell them to multiply that number by 2. Once they do that, you're gonna tell them to add 1. Then you're gonna tell them to multiply that number by 5. And then again, multiply it by 10 and hit equal. Okay, they're gonna look at it, they're gonna be like, oh, it's in the thousands. Clearly I'm not 1,000 years old. You're gonna get it back, and all you need to do is just remove the last 2 numbers. Again, super easy. It's a trick that if they don't realize that's what you're gonna do, you could probably sell it to them really quickly. All right, trick number 4. This trick's gonna show you how to guess any card that someone picks using your telepathic powers. What's your name?
Hello, I'm Amar.
Hi, Amar. Nice to meet you. I'm Kyle. I'm gonna go ahead, dealing out cards. I want you to say stop at any time that you feel a connection with that card. Okay?
Anytime.
Anytime. It could be the front, it could be the end, the middle, whatever.
Stop.
Stop here?
No, I'm pretty early.
Or
yeah,
what you
stop. No, on this one, yeah.
This one? Okay. Go ahead, pick it, and show the camera. I won't look. Got it? Have you seen it?
I have, yeah.
You saw it? I want you to look at it. I want you to look through the card into my eyes, okay?
Okay.
You send it through?
Yeah, I'm seeing it.
Okay, so now I'm gonna put it back here. Just right there. And go ahead and put that back on top. Now, I'm gonna shuffle.
Can I shuffle as well?
Absolutely. Even better idea.
Ooh, taking the call.
I'm not confident.
I don't know if that's a bluff.
So you're happy with that?
I think so.
You want to shuffle any more?
No, I'm okay.
Okay. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go through. Hopefully connect with one of your cards. It's nowhere near here. No. Ah! No, not that one. Let me ask the card. Hey, is his card coming up anytime soon? Okay, great. No. Said he hasn't seen him. Is this not your card? Oh.
I was like, yeah, this guy.
Wait. I felt something with this one. Is this your card?
Yeah, it is.
Is it? Oh, baby, Jack of Hearts! Here's how I did it. Sometimes giving this part to the audience member makes it feel like they're more a part of mixing it up and confusing you. You can start to deal them and say, okay, tell me to stop whenever you want. Hey, stop. You're gonna give it to them. Wow, it's the Ace of... What are the odds? The Ace of Diamonds. So that's like the most magic card. Anyways, give it to the audience member. They're gonna show all their friends, and you say, look, don't show me. I don't want to see it. As they hand it back to you, you want to just crease the card in the corner with your fingernail. Squeeze really hard like this, and put it back into the deck. Now you shuffle it. Do whatever you want. You can mix it around. It doesn't matter. You know what the card is now anyways. Keep going, looking for the card. This is where you have to sell the magic. While you're doing this, you are going to be looking for the crease that you made with your fingernail. Do not make it obvious. Do not be like, hey, I think no. Grab it in the middle so no corners are blocked. And squint your eyes if you need to move them around. That helps. Feeling this one for some reason. Is this your card? They're like, oh my god, how did you do it? I'm telling you guys, it's easy magic. Magic is easier than you think. The whole part of magic is selling the magicalness of the trick. Trick number 5. So for this next trick, you're gonna need your calculator again. You're gonna be able to guess the total of whatever they're multiplying to. Here's the trick. For this trick, I'm gonna be able to guess your number. You may not know yet, but it's gonna be your number. Okay. I've written down a number here, set right here in the middle. I'm not gonna touch it during, you can keep an eye on it this whole time you want, but that number is not gonna change. Your house number growing up.
4427.
We're gonna multiply that by, how many times do you leave the country this month?
3.
Does this sound like a citizenship?
It does.
Let's multiply that with your last credit card, not the one that's current, because I don't want people to know it.
Yeah.
Your last credit card's 4 digits.
Okay, 6873.
We're gonna multiply that. Your 5 favorite numbers.
13 for sure is there.
13.
73.
73. 2.
Number 2.
Okay.
9.
9.
And 11.
11. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna hit equals now, okay? We have the number. You wanna read that out, what number that is?
85,817,744.
Now, without me touching, go ahead and read what number's in the middle.
85,817,744.
That's right, baby.
744.
Show the camera.
Pretty good.
Bam! After adding all of his things together, I was able to guess what million number that is, down to the exact number. So for this trick, you're gonna need a pencil, a little piece of paper, and a calculator. With your audience watching, you're gonna say, okay, I'm gonna guess your number. You're gonna look at them, you're gonna write, okay. Now this part is where you're selling the magic. Fold up the piece of paper, you're gonna put it somewhere where everyone else can see that you're not messing with it. You're then gonna go to your calculator, okay? Now this is where the trick happens. Before you go in front of people, you're gonna type in the number that you actually wrote down on the paper. This might look like a random number that is in the tens of millions. but I actually know exactly what this number is. You're gonna hit +0, multiply, and leave it on multiply. This is where the trick starts. You're gonna ask your audience member personal questions like, let's multiply that by your house number. Okay, great. 4679 times. Now, every time you hit multiply, it's gonna go back to 0 because that's how this trick works. So don't make this part super visual. So just hold it in front of you, show them typing. Okay, the last 4 digits of your credit card number. Okay, 3497. All right, let's multiply that by the rough estimate of the number of countries you went to this year. Okay, 3. All right, let's multiply that by the number of your favorite hockey player. Okay, 16. All right, multiply that by the birth year of your mother. Okay, 78. Keep doing that until you feel like the numbers have multiplied, so it'll be up in the millions and millions and millions. You're gonna say, okay, turn your phone around and hit equals. Your number's gonna pop up because remember, you added 0 and now you're multiplying everything to that 0. This number was 85,817,744. I want you to look at this number. Give them the piece of paper, and inside the same number is written. 85,817,744. The good thing about the calculator on the iPhone is you can set this trick up hours in advance as long as they don't use their calculator. Great trick. For my final trick, I'm gonna show you guys how to make smoke come from your fingertips. Now for this trick, you're gonna need a plate, but it's gotta be a cold plate. So this plate has actually been sitting in the fridge. Next, you're gonna need boxes of matches. You're gonna take one of the casings with the striker on it. You want just that piece. You wanna get rid of as much paper as possible and just leave the strike pad, okay? Just like that. Next, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your other boxes of matches. You're gonna light one, and you're gonna light the strike pad on fire. Once you've burned your striker, you wanna get rid of that, and left on the cold plate is this soy sauce looking soot, like this, like gunk. What you want to do is you want to scoop that up with your finger, just like that. When you rub it together, I don't know if people will see this. You get smoke, look at that! Look at that. And that's pretty much it. That is how you make smoke come from your fingertips. Okay, so you guys have it. Those are 6 really easy magic tricks you can do at home. You can take these tricks to the next level based on your acting, bring this sort of magic element into it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't, because I've got tons of cool videos coming out, whether they're tricks like these, how-tos, unboxing, DIYs, tons of great stuff coming to this channel. And if you guys are gonna share your magic on Instagram, please tag me at Nanocracy. I would love to see it, comment, and even like the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. See you guys later.